Umintirang ba kajala migalia konrad ke sangma hakasi basaw kador bar mang tingka jong ke yeng dabar thawai kajala ka khandai tarik luber arajar arpuar ulawan ra ya kamang tingka nak bentaus nam arajar arpuar arajar arpulai kaboduna sihajar praspa sau pukanai klur tingka kabolong sau 0.1% jong ka gross state domestic products GSDP nak bentaus nam mang tingka arajar arpuar arajar arpulai umintirang ba babat ru ya katnat platingka ulabu bamang penyo pisa kabolong khat prajar news pa klur hakaba nak revenue receive lamang khandri hojar lifesan klur tingka but nak capital receive pat lamang arhajan riuspa ripsan klur tingka klem kentup yak basim kelyang arhajan riuspa life ar klur tingka ka total receive lamang khandri hojar ripra klur tingka hakabai dei bat ka jingmang penut muntirang ba ulabu khat prajar praspa prapuwe klur tingka nakaba ka revenue expenditure lamang khasan hajar lifespa new punriu klur tingka but ka capital expenditure pat lahaja sanspa san klur tingka klem kentup yak jingsiu ram ka bolong khandai spa ripsau klur tingka ka total expenditure kolong khatnyo hajar khandai spa khatnyo klur tingka ka jingsiu sut lamang siajar sispa sipho klur tingka but ka jingsiu pension ka poi siajar sauspa rip khandai klur tingka.
Budget estimates 2022-23. So for 2022-23, I have estimated the total receipts at 18,700 crores, of which the revenue receipts are estimated at 16,035 crores and capital receipts at 2,665 crores. Excluding borrowings of 2,632 crores, the total receipts are estimated to be 16,068 crores. On the expenditure side, I have estimated the total expenditure at 18,881 crores, of which the revenue expenditure is estimated at 15,376 crores and capital expenditure at 3,505 crores. Excluding repayment of loans of 964 crores, the estimated total expenditure is 17,917 crores. Interest payments for 2022-23 is estimated at 1,110 crores and pension payments at 1,469 crores. I am therefore presenting the budget of 2022-23 with a fiscal deficit of 1,849 crores, which is around 4.5% of the GSDP. Conclusion. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to place on record my gratitude to you and all the members of this august House for the support that has been extended to my government over the last 4 years. I would also like to thank the people of the state for placing their faith in my government. We have worked relentlessly to ensure that our promises translate into reality. My government is determined to propel Meghalaya into the league of top 10 states in India by the end of the decade. A solid foundation for this has been laid over the last 4 years, and this budget creates the pathway for achieving this ambitious mission. Leading the state on this momentous journey has been an enriching and humbling experience. I am confident that this government will get more opportunities to serve the people of the state for years to come. Mr. Speaker, sir, with these words, I commend the budget to this august House. Kublai, Matela, and Jai Hind.